Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus Watch 3 and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, press the crown button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll through the menu and find the option called Other. And once you find it, tap on it. And here find the option called System Settings and select it. And then scroll down, find the option called Language. And once you find it, tap on it. You will see the list of languages. Now we can scroll through this list, find the language you would like to use on your watch. Once you find it, you can tap on it to select it. And the language should be applied. And if you go back to the menu, you will see that the language was changed. And then you can press the crown button to go back to watch face, but let me quickly switch back to English. Okay. And that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.